cocaine era, the crack generation. Shit over with, my nigga. Niggas out here still looking for it though. Niggas still looking for it, boy. The Great White Hope, where it's at? Take you back to when Lacoste was Izod. Before the Walkman became my iPod. Before my iPad, when I had my pad with the spiral. And records was vinyl, not viral. Before the iPhone, back when Unc drove a iRock. When crack rock was introduced to my block. When I rock Run DMC in a boombox. King of rock, my Adidas, a shoebox full of tapes, no Tupacs and no Biggies. So what, I gotta press rewind, it's no biggie. House phone busy, beepers blowing up. Parents ain't like it, but that's how we was growing up. Only 3 rooms, so all the boys had to share one. Jerry had the first Air Jordans and the Air Ones. Rockin' Rakim and Eric B, trying to get paid in full. Where we be? Out here looking for the
yayo, the Y, the A-Y-O. Don't look any further. The yayo, the Y, the A-Y-O. Don't look any further.
I went from half to whole up on the Ave where them slabs get sold. I was too young to get a car, so all I had was gold. But long as crackheads got cars, I'm still renting. Economy was good from Reagan to Bill Clinton. Because of Noriega, because of Escobar. When Willie James' Green Jag was the freshest car. The first car I ever had was a Buick. Pull up on the scene leaking transmission fluid. A Cutlass, 3 Cadillacs, ask Teddy. We ain't care nothing about losing cars, that's petty. Back when Lil' Kenny had the brown box Chevy. When Black Shine was pushing them brown blocks heavy. About the same time Master P came out. We was like, boy, that's what this D-game by. Niggas selling dope to promote they label. Now the feds got the rap game cable. They came looking for the
yayo, the Y, the A-Y-O. Don't look any further. The yayo, the Y, the A-Y-O. Don't look any further.
Now the money's scarce, it used to be plentiful. I guess the coke game finally came to its pinnacle. Ballin' in the club, pulling hoes, pouring mo. Ain't nobody do it like my nigga George Moe. My nigga Big Cleat, stayed Dapper Don. Talking about Big Cleat, not Cleat the rapper, that's his son. Billy Goat, Easy E, Eric Hardnett. Boy, you think your life hard, you ain't seen hard yet. Farewell to the generation of crack babies. Why it seem like it only affected black babies? Now them niggas grown, shit, some of them niggas gone. God, please forgive, nah, this mind was strong. When New Jack City was at the movies, no IMAX. When we rapped on 24 tracks before them IMAX. It climaxed, now it's on the down slope. What happened to the Great White Hope? They still looking for the
yayo, the Y, the A-Y-O. Don't look any further. The yayo, the Y, the A-Y-O. Don't look any further.